Feed your dog invisible treats until they realize.
What? One more invisible treat. Is there any in there? Look, is there any in there? Okay, here's the real one. There you go. Is Mama bamboozling ya? Sit. Good boy, Paw. Good boy. Here's your chicken. Alright, can you sit down? Sit. Okay, wait a minute. Alright, we got your breakfast. Wait, no. Wait a minute. Sit. Good boy. Alright, I'm gonna give you your food. Hold on, I have to give you proper portions. Enjoy! That's it. That's all you get. You're going on a diet. You're going on a diet. Okay, fine. Just a little bit more, okay? And that's it. That's all you get because you're a little chubby. You may be dismissed now. No, you can't have no more. No. You want me to put it in there? Why? Do you just want to be chubby for the rest of your life? Alright, fine. Here you go. There's the food for the chubby man.